In today's video, I'll be showing you guys our new $2 million home that I just purchased. I'll give you guys a tour of it, and then I'll be letting you guys know about some upcoming project that I'm also doing to my home. So when you first walk in, we have this double staircase that I'm in love with. And here are just still some items that I have to like unbox and set up. I can't wait to try out this machine and then my KitchenAid. And my son, he wanted this toaster. I got another Ninja air fryer, but I can't wait to try out this crispy one. This is my master bathroom, y'all. I am in love with it. I love the whole floors. I love the black and white, and the tub, y'all. The tub is huge. I'm really loving that tub. And above the tub there is a TV, so that is not a mirror above it. I'll be able to like listen to music, watch anything on Netflix or whatever while I'm relaxing and taking me a nice little bath. But yeah. I'm sure you can tell that this video is a little shaky, so after I watched the whole video, I was like, yeah, I need to buy me a stabilizer because this is not okay. Still trying to see what I would like actually put here, because I feel like just putting a table there, like, I don't want that. And then on this side, we have a office, but I'm turning this into something else, so you guys definitely have to stay tuned for that. But y'all, look at this black marble. I love it. And I also love the view, the big windows. But yeah, this office piece right here in this wall, yeah, I'm removing that. And here we have one of my closets. So we have 2 bedrooms on the first floor, and then there are 4 bedrooms upstairs. So let's come up here. This is what it looks like from up here. Love, love, love the view. Love the high ceilings. And then when you come this way, I'm gonna take you guys to my gaming room first. So we have the pool table already. As you can see, I already have brought some stuff up here. Got some brick bears, and then 2 big screens where you can just like play whatever on there. And then I'm gonna show you guys what the other side looks like as well. Yeah, I love these pictures. I have printed them out and framed them. So I'm gonna still do something to this while I'm not all the way done yet. Also, that's like a mini bar that I had at my old house. That's not gonna stay right there. I will be moving that. And then here we have my theater, and I'm also not done finished setting up yet. Let me turn the light on. And then this is the theater. Yeah, do y'all see the walls? I got these theater chairs, but like I said, I'm not done setting it up yet. There's still like stuff that's missing that needs to like be brought up here. But yeah. Also, before you walk into the theater room, two of the bedrooms. So there is a bedroom right here. That's my son's bedroom, and then this is his bathroom as well. And then there is another. This is just like a guest bathroom as well. And then here we have another room with a balcony. The balcony is really big as well. And then you have this view. And when you come from down there to up here on this side, there are two bedrooms. Can't show you guys what are in the rooms just yet, but there's a room right there, and then there's another one right here. So a total of 4 bedrooms up here. And then here's what my outside looks like, my backyard. Yeah, I am in love with it. I love the pool. The pool is huge. And then I got this media wall where I can like watch games, movies, or whatever. And then we have the jacuzzi back there with like 2 fire pits. It is so huge. And then I have a full-size basketball court. And I can't wait to show you guys what I'm turning this into. So give me about like a week or 2. Wow, I'm loving the palm trees. Anytime I come out here, I feel like I'm on vacation. And then, pretty sure y'all seen this house over there. I have like a guest house. So this is the guest house. I can't wait to set this up. And then, what I love about all of these windows, I told you, they're like tinted, so you can't see inside from the outside. But yeah, this is the guest house. So stay tuned for that. Basketball court over here, and then on this side I have like this big space of like backyard, and I already got something planned for back here as well, so y'all will have to stay tuned for that. All the metal pieces that y'all see right there, that was a gazebo of mine. So that's it as far as the home tour. I'm officially a homeowner. I'm so thankful and blessed. But yeah, stay tuned for the updates that I'm doing, and let me know in the comment section down below what you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.